Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the PC can actually change network behavior. Open Settings Network and Internet Wi-Fi. Once there, make sure the Wi-Fi adapter is enabled and your account has admin rights, because you may need elevation to set system-wide preferences. Next, pick the correct SSID and enter the password once to save credentials. This initial connection is required so Windows or your network manager stores it for automatic reuse. Make sure to note whether you're on a private or public profile. This affects auto-connect behavior. Once done connecting, click the Wi-Fi network again and enable Connect automatically, so the OS will rejoin when in range. Make sure to set the profile to private for home or work, because private networks allow device discovery and persistent connections. Public keeps more restrictions. If you need to configure multiple networks, open Manage Known Networks, pick each SSID, and edit properties. This is where you can forget or prioritize networks, so the system attempts your preferred SSID first. To finalize, open Device Manager and check the Wi-Fi adapter's power management so the OS won't turn it off to save energy. This prevents missed auto connects. Also update drivers and, when supported, set network priority so your PC prefers one SSID over others. If auto connect fails, forget the network, restart the adapter, and rejoin. This clears corrupted credentials. One key tip: if you still can't auto connect, check router settings for MAC filtering or DHCP limits. Those will block automatic joins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.